Yeah.
Like a mama.
Nah.
I won't believe I have. Well, she will.
Oh,
I let you a big ballet boy. If I will lose
the Kanu mother, the Kanu. Wasn't they ship up and also no mother?
Good.
Huh?
Wherever come mother navy.
Leno. But I shall to go
like this, Nana. Can't you go to Nigeria Zoo? Ever have a cash on Nana? Or more on a here. Or one number the cannon a here. Of I pencil on a here. Like a dear devil, love by the God.
Come on here.
Fuck.
Ulo mother try on.
Yeah.
Nare, a blue Brahma tanker, Temenos, Bama Bubba.
I see most of you rejoicing that Gentle the Yahoo has been arrested. I see most of can you imagine how stupid you people can be? Social medias, all these social media eras, can you imagine how foolish you people can be? They caught terrorists in the north. They had meetings with the terrorists. They gave him mic. He had AK-47 rifles, or rather bullets, on his chest. About 20-something cartridges on his chest, addressing Nigeria. They could not do anything to him. The social media was not on fire. No discussion from Arise Television much. The one they said they said it with they were so professional with what they were saying. TVC did not carry it. They didn't talk about it at all. That why would Nigeria be negotiating with terrorists? Why would Nigeria be giving amnesty to terrorists? But when Gentle the Yahoo's case came up, they just blew that in to distract all of you, and all of you are falling for nonsense. Stupid Nigerians. Taking your mind away from the reality of ground. They don't want you to discuss about the terrorists that they are discussing with, that they are trying to give pardon. They don't want you to discuss about it. That is why they tell you that Angel Makeup is dead. Angel, they have neutralized the Gentle the Yahoo. They have tomorrow now they will tell you that they have neutralized all the ESN, all the Biafran soldiers. That one now will go on space again to further confuse you. You know, you people are very foolish. You don't think? Do you people think in Nigeria? You don't think?
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome to Magnetic Chicks TV. Today being 23 of September 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, it is still happening in Okigwe and the Umuaka. These two villages in Imo State is still very hot at the moment because the Gentle boys are not losing their ground at all. The Gentle boys are still serious with what they are doing. The B44 guys in Umuaka are very, very serious with what they are doing. The same goes with the Gentle guys in Okigwe. They are still very serious in what they are doing. They are still staying on the ground, like they are still battling the Musa and the Asari boys on the ground. They know they shake you. They know they run away for anybody. Guys, you can see how these the villagers are running away from the sound of that bullet, the sound of that gun. You can see the way they were running away. You can see this beautiful building that the Musa guys destroyed with bullets. Now, the people in this video is asking, is this where they are sleeping? Is this where the eye pencil, one of the top commanders in Umuaka under B44, is it where he is sleeping? Is it where the Biafran Liberation armies are sleeping? Then why are they using tanker to destroy someone's beautiful house, someone hard-earned money? Guys, you can see that is the result of the guerrilla warfare that is going on in Biafra land, because the Biafran Liberation Army, they still there Gidiba, they still there their grando, they still there Mino, they still there fight the Musa guys and with the Asari guys tooth to nail. They know they shake at all. So ọbụrụ n'anya ọfụma ọnụ ga-afụkwa na ife a na-ekwu abụrụ obere ihe, because anyị ekwu n'okwu kwukwa ya ọzọ ka na-ekwukwu ya. Ọ bụrụ n'eziokwu na-egbuo na Gentle the Yahoo and Angel Makeup by now akago igosisi anyị ozu fa just the way esi wee gosi ozu nwanne Gentle mgbe egburu ya ozugbo a display be on social media. They were jubilating, you know. I posted that video here because of the site I don't okay I posted to be here. Yotago the way that we are jubilating with that dead body of Gentle's brother. So check is here. Mobuzano Gentle be Yahoo ejidoro na 2 days self or even 1 week in that ya can go see video. Ha na go see the video ebe ha na agba ya ajụjụ self ma ebe ha na eme ya akaja. Ha bụkwa nnọọ ka ọnwụ. Ha gosikwa na video ebe ha ga-ejikwa n'ozu ya wee na-eme ihe caricature. I don't know if you understand me, because if you can recall very well, there was a time this unknown government was trending in Imo State. Mgbe ha na-edekarịba in the daytime and also in the night time in the general police stations jena agbagasi ọkụ. And one of the videos in Kaifona on social media at that time, some group of unknown gunmen got at one particular police station in Imo State ka ha je suo ya ọkụ. So they went to that particular police station to burn it down. In fact, they were so boastful of themselves that they even informed the police people that they are coming. Unknowingly to them, the police people had already prepared, waiting for them. Immediately they entered very close to that site. The exchange of gunfire, they too much sure. But the policemen perceived them. They were all eliminated. Although we heard that time that some ran away with a gunshot. So why I bring this, or why I flash back this news is, immediately they gunned down those unknown gunmen. The videos trend all the social media, posted that video because the policemen, they posted the video, they boasted, you know, they were like, we have defeated these guys, So with that mindset, with that, I believe that if actually that Gentle the Yahoo has been captured or he was spied with Angel Makeup, according to the news, by now you would have seen their dead corpse, you have seen their captured their video. Just the same way they display the corpse of Ikonso. Immediately they spied in Koso, they display his corpse, social media, even news, internet news, everyone carried the news. So guys, you can now see that indeed this is a game. It is a serious game that is going on. Are you getting me?
One day, when I hand you again, anything already like one no one and the more him a Biafra. One day, a could have my side, a could have my side, you can make sad. You can make sad. One day, more Biafra, I don't got them, and I got them, and I got no Biafra or nothing. Biafra to the world, Biafra to the world. One zoo everywhere. Oh, Biafra or nothing. One day. Over here, I come like this now. I'm all about Biafra. One day, we can look at and come my side. Can you put my side, eh? Yeah, man, Biafra, eh? Biafra, watching one Biafra or not, you know. Had them proud, they will United States of Biafra. One day, one or this is nothing. One Biafra or nothing. Biafra or nothing. Biafra to the world, Biafra.
Ndị IPON ka IPOB ndị DOS na-eme, ndị otu Chinasanwa Oru, ndị otu Nnamdi anya, ndị otu Chike Edozie, they are all united against their now newfound enemy, Simon Ekpa. Mana onye isi unu bụ Nnamdi Kanu sikwa n'azụ na-enye Simon support. Kedizi ha na-akọ ihe, onye ka na-aghọrị. Ihe ndị a na-emezi kịta bụ because na Simon outshine them and put them into oblivion. Ha na ndị Nigerian Army, Nigerian Police, DSS na-alụkọzi ọrụ kịta. Ọ bụzi ha ma na-atụzi Simon aka. Ndị otu Simon, sitigbuo Simon, zọgbuo Simon. Mana ajụjụ na-ajụ aka unu ọ dị ọcha.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, Biafrans. Pending your time zone and where you come across my video. I want to really appreciate every Biafrans for standing tall with the USB. A lot of you have shown your support via my platform that you are really good to go with the United States of Biafra. That is where we start. No matter what they are doing, no matter what anybody is doing, pay no attention to their crime. Very soon, both Oki and Kiri, all this, their group, they'll go to jail. I'm promising you guys that. Very soon, these traitors will go to jail. Believe me. Now, I want to ask the people who are asking about Mazi and Nnamdi, what are the USB doing about Mazi and Nnamdi? What are the lawyers are saying? Oh, Mazi and Nnamdi is suffering. He has sickness, which we already know. Mazi and Nnamdi has internal illness, and they want to use this against him. And now Mazi and Nnamdi is being poisoned in that DSSS dungeon. So they want to slowly take his life away, which we know. But again, I want to ask, where is Bianca Ojukwu today? Bianca, Olo, where are you? I thought you people were speaking to Tinubu to release Mazi and Nnamdi. I thought you guys had everything planned. You have everything planned up. I thought you people had spoken to Tinubu. The only problem you had was Simon Ekpa blocking the release of Mazi and Nnamdi. Madubugo, where are you? I thought Simon Ekpa was the problem. Why Mazi and Nnamdi was not being released? I thought that the reason why Tinubu didn't pay any attention to you, Bianca Olowu and Madubugo, and the rest of these criminal DOS members was because Simon Ekpa was standing in the way. Now that Simon Ekpa has been released, what are you people doing about the release of Mazi and Nnamdi today? What are you people doing? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. You are doing absolutely nothing. I thought Simon Ekpa was your problem. I thought the reason why the Southeast was on fire, Nigeria was on fire, was because of Simon Ekpa. And that is the same reason why Mazi and Nnamdi is not being released. You sold Mazi and Nnamdi out in 2021. Was kidnapped from Kenya. One of you collected that money. You collected the money. And then since that 2021, you have not been able to do anything that will make the government of Nigeria to release Mazi and Nnamdi. A man stood in because he knows that when he leaves you people, nobody today will be talking about Mazi and Nnamdi. And he took the bull by the horn to make sure that the Nigerian government sees it in the hardest way, because he understood the language of Nigeria. And what did you people do? You came out and started fighting him. Now that man is taken away. Go and release that Mazi and Nnamdi. Do you people still hear the National Assembly talking about Mazi and Nnamdi? Do you people still hear Bianca Ojukwu, that useless and hopeless non-entity, talking about Mazi and Nnamdi? Oh, when they appointed her, when they bribed her, you know this woman is just very useless, very stupid indeed, that every politician in Nigeria sleeps with. When they talked about Mazi, no, she came out and started telling the world the only reason why Tinubu is not listening to Biafrans to release Mazi and Nnamdi is because Simon Ekpa's activities in the Southeast. Now that Simon Ekpa has been taken out, do you people hear anybody make sound about Mazi and Nnamdi again? I'm so bitter this morning. Now you are calling her Rabweze. What magic do you want that woman to do? If I may ask you, what magic do you want her to do? I ask these DOS idiots. Okay, she should come and be doing woto for you so that you cramp her down again and gag her like the way you gag Mazi and Nnamdi and Simon Ekpa. Is that what you want? I thought you people have a way of doing it right. I thought you people have a way of getting it better. I thought that you people, you DOS members, had a way to get it right. I thought there was a better way that Mazi Simon Ekpa was not doing it well. Can you see how shallow-minded you people can be? Can you see how egocentric you people can be? Can you see how wicked and heartless you people can be? Allowing the hero, a man who God sent to come and defend his people, to start rotting in jail. And you people are here propagating evil against your own brother. Is it not Biafrans that they sent, the same Biafrans that they sent to Finland? Is it not?
Make sure you're following us, this Magnetic Chicks TV, because we will keep updating you, we will keep giving you details that you need to know of what is going on in Biafran land between the Biafran Liberation Army, Musa guys and Asari guys, and even this issue of Gentle Yahoo and Makeup and the rest of the commanders. Yes, you can see that Ushemefo is also castigating the DOX, because DOX are the ones that are fighting Simon Ekpa. Now that Simon Ekpa is inside, what is the next move? That is the question Ushemefo is even asking them, that they are not even doing anything to help Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out from that JSS dungeon that he is. So our brother here, Stephen Crooks, has also explained everything that is still going on based on the Biafran politicians, the way they are being biased, the way they are sabotaging the Biafran struggle, the way they have abandoned Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying that it was because of Simon Ekpa activities that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has not been released for long. Now that Simon Ekpa has been incarcerated, now that he has been sent to 6 years imprisonment, what is the way forward? Why is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still in that place? Why are they refusing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a special treatment based on the illness that is troubling him? These are the questions Stephen Cross are now asking those politicians that are claiming that they are working for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
You are calling a rabbi. What are they doing? Oh, what are the men on ground doing? They are not going to do nothing. Let the OS go and release him. Let the OS go and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I thought they had a better way. I tell them when there are ways they do this thing. People are defending their land. People are making sure that they get their country back. But what does Igbo people know? Their own is money. Money. Anywhere Igbo man smells money, he can sell his family. That is the way we are. Sell his conscience. Now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in DSS's dungeon, suffering for what he didn't know, for defending you and I. I thought to Madubugo when he was shouting, hey Simon, Simon, that there was something he could do. All these DOS members, Kafa, I thought there was something you guys could do. I thought there was a way you could get it right. Is anybody listening to you in Nigeria now? Is people even paying attention to if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu want to die, let him die there? Is it listening? That is their plight now. Where are those senators? Where is any near Baribe? That was saying Simon. Where is any near Baribe? Why is he no more speaking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today? Why is there any governor of the Southeast not talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today? Because they know that once Simon is removed, they will kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let me warn Nigerian government from here that if anything happens to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, believe you me, we are no longer going to say anything. We bring Nigeria to their deals. We're not scared, because Biafra is now a sovereign nation, and the man you are holding is the Biafran. That is my own. I see most of you rejoicing that Gentle the Yahoo has been arrested. I see most of, can you imagine how stupid you people can be? Social medias, all these social media eras, can you imagine how foolish you people can be? They caught terrorists in the north. They had meetings with the terrorists. They gave him mic. He had AK-47 rifles, or rather bullets, on his chest. About 20-something cartridges on his chest, addressing Nigeria. They could not do anything to him. The social media was not on fire. No discussion from Arise Television much. The one they said, they said it with, they were so professional with what they were saying. TVC did not carry it. They didn't talk about it at all. That why would Nigeria be negotiating with terrorists? Why would Nigeria be giving amnesty to terrorists? But when Gentle the Yahoo's case came up, they just blew that in to distract all of you, and all of you are falling for nonsense. Stupid Nigerians. Taking your mind away from the reality on ground. They don't want you to discuss about the terrorists that they are discussing with, that they are trying to give pardon. They don't want you to discuss about it. That is why they tell you that Angel Makeup is dead. Angel, they have neutralized the Gentle the Yahoo. They have tomorrow now they will tell you that they have neutralized all the ESN, all the Biafran soldiers. That one now will go on space again to further confuse you. You know, you people are very foolish. You don't think. Do you people think in Nigeria? You don't think. So now that's a case of that terrorist. This thing is now going down. It is now distraction. That what is his name? Yahoo is a terrorist. Oh, they have unalived him. Oh, they have captured him. Now look at it. They said they went to their camp and unalived 2 women. Is that not act of terrorism? How can you go, innocent women? You don't even know whether these people were captured, kidnapped. You don't even know the condition that those women were in. Whether they were forcefully kidnapped and kept there, and you neutralize them. And that is why we said, I said this. Biafra is now a sovereign nation. The Nigerian terrorist army, police, DSSS has no right to arrest anybody in Biafran land as we speak. They don't have that right because Finland said we should do it legally. We are doing it legally. So legally, we are telling you that we have a legal binding document that Dr. Orabweze generated on the 29th of November 2024 that made us to become a sovereign nation. So Biafrans, I am using this opportunity to tell you that the bull, you have to take it by yourself. Now you have to start doing something so that we will support from here. We are not instigating violence. We are not asking you to carry guns. You have to defend yourself at every means, by any means necessary. Because if we leave these people before we come back from abroad, they would have unalived all our family members. We won't have anybody to talk to again. That is the reason why they are doing all this nonsense. To make useless of that document that Dr. Orabweze generated on the 29th of November 2024. We're not going to allow that. So what we are doing is to sensitize the public and tell them their rights. You are now a sovereign nation. Musa knows this. Christopher Musa knows this thing that I'm telling you. Christopher Musa and Tinubu, because we formally submitted a document of our declaration to their table, and if they refuse to comply to those documents, we will do them what they know, what we know how to do best. It is not, we are not threatening anybody. We are telling you people because we are not a sovereign nation. So Musa should listen to this very thing that we are saying here, that he should remove all his army from Biafran territory, because they are there to destroy. They are there to steal, to kill, to destroy, and to rape. They are not there to do any work. If Musa boys are in the whole of the southeast and you have this level of insecurity, why are the people causing this insecurity? It is the military in your land, because they know Biafra has been redeclared. So please, we're not begging anybody. Mazi, these people that can do it better than Simon Epa. Oh yeah, take the leadership mantle now. Why release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Bianco, it will be a shame to you that you went to sell your own brother while a woman like you declared independent state of Biafra. Are you not ashamed of yourself, Bianco Juku? Are you not ashamed that a woman like you declared the independent state of Biafra, that your husband fought that over 5 million people, Biafrans, was starved and unalived to death? Unalived. Are you not ashamed? How would you walk in Biafran land, raise your head up high? Can you see how foolish you are because of love of money? When they gave you the Minister of Foreign Affairs, why don't you reject it for the benefit of your husband, so that your respect will be there? Now, Kanu, I hope you people are happy. Taking Mazi Simon Epa away, I thought Nigeria would have been the safest heaven on earth. But today, Nigeria ranks to be one of the most deadliest countries in the world. People are dying, people are going down on starvation. Starvation is buying everybody. And some people that doesn't have brain, that cannot think for themselves, to come here to come and advise me. Do you know who we are advising? That's why I told you, Ike Uche, go and advise your parents. Don't advise me. Biafrans are losing their loved ones. You are here to advise me. For what? Why are you advising me? I want you guys to understand that we are now a sovereign nation. We'll keep saying this every single day. Biafra is now a sovereign nation. You have every reason to remove your army from our territory because you want us to do it in a legal way. We have given Nigeria enough time to pack their bags and baggages and leave our land. We are not scared. We are now a nation. You can't come to I can't go to Finland where I am to go and arrest anybody without Finland police and military to be involved. If the person has committed treason in this country, I have to go and submit the document and evidences, and they will try him there. They will try him where I am before they extradite him back to Finland. So that is what I expect Nigeria to do. Nigeria should leave our land. Nigeria to stop at this moment arresting, raping, or extorting money from any Biafran citizen. Please, when you have those videos, send it over to us so that we'll continue to use it to file cases against Nigeria. Anywhere you see them unaliving, doing any evil to Biafrans, please, if you are in a safe place, take the video. Make sure you are speaking English. Don't speak Igbo, because these people, they don't understand Igbo language. We send it to the appropriate authorities. Anywhere, do your own part while we do our own part. Anywhere you see them extorting, doing any evil to any Biafrans, please make sure you take videos and send it to us. At this moment, I am still waiting for DOS to come and address Biafrans. I am still waiting for those people who said they could do it better to come and address Biafrans on how they have gone with Nnamdi Kanu's case and the day that they're going to release him. Dignitaries from Igbo land, including our Eze, including our monarchs, went to Buhari to release Mazi and Nnamdi Kanu. That man paid a deaf ear. And you think we will listen to all this nonsense that they're doing on social media? And you think we are going to listen to these fools called Nigerian government? We won't. They sat our Igwes, even in my own Igwe went there. They sat him on the floor. Can you do that to any emir in Kanu or in Kaduna, in Kastina? You can't. So when they call you, go and fight your own brother, they give you chicken change, you go and fight your own brother. Can you see that you people are numb? You don't have sense, Igbos. But on this place, I don't want it to be much longer. Please, Biafrans, I have more stories to tell. Not even story. I have more gists to give you about Mazi Simon and Ekpa. Victory coming in court. So please, stay tuned and raise your head all up high. We are winning this case. Nigeria does not have the cards to play. Not even on this planet Earth, I'm telling you. Believe you me. Thank you, Biafrans. I will see you in my next video.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. We always keep giving you the best wherever you are. Make sure you are following us. Subscribe with us. Let us interact in our comment section. Share this video, my dear fans. Share this video, my dear Biafrans. Share this video, everyone. We all love you. Bye.